Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm a new YouTube content creator. I got the Osmo Pocket 3. Santa brought me for Christmas. This is one of the most desired, I'd say, sort of trending little cameras. I did a few consumer reviews and I looked at the Sony Z something, and that was like a bigger camera. And then I haven't yet converted my phone, so I still don't know if I'm going to go iPhone or Android. But the reason I chose the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 was because it had face tracking. And so I shoot a lot of line dance videos. So I'm interested to know how that will be. And it had a lot of built-in features. So Santa brought me the Creator Combo, which comes with a lot of things. I've also seen some YouTube reviews where people say you don't need the whole Creator Combo. I didn't really have a microphone. This microphone I'm using right now is like, I think it's only like a $20, $25 mic from Amazon, but this includes a DJI microphone is what I understand. So for me, the Creator Combo was the better way to go. So I'm looking forward. I know a lot of other content creators in our community have got this for Christmas. So I can't wait to share all the tips. So here we go. Let's go with the unboxing. Oh, this looks cool if I can get into it. This looks like cool. So I saw some things on Amazon, but I didn't know. It comes with a cute little pouch, so when you're traveling, it's protected. I didn't know that. I'm going to sneeze in a second. Wow. So look at how small this unit is. Now, the thing I don't know, and I can't wait to review this, is when Norm and I looked at the little screen, it's tiny. Now, this is the improved version of the DJI Pocket because I did look at the model before to see, but this is actually what they're calling the bigger screen. And the screen looks really tiny. But what I've heard is that with this screen, you can also with the app, have it come up on the phone if you do need a larger screen. Just interesting to see if that small screen is going to be a detriment when you're shooting. Now, the whole thing about this is look at how tiny this is, see, compared to my hand. So this is going to be great for traveling. And I'd say this little pouch unit is like so small, tinier than a makeup kit. So hang on one second. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is the little DJI mic, and this is quite small as well. So in comparison, that's what it would look like. And then, because the other thing with this Creator Combo is that you get the gimbal, and you get a little, oh, look at this, and then you get a cute little stand for it. And that's amazing that you can fit all of that in this little pouch. Wow. So that means that for those of us that are used to shooting with our phone camera, like just to have a little stand that you can just tote away. And it also includes a USB-C. And let's just check what comes here. And this is, oh, this is the famous little rabbit screen that you can put on your microphone, the windscreen. And it even comes with a lanyard. And then what's nice is it looks like, this is, I believe this is, says, this is a great high quality Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. So for those of you that are going to be just like packing it away in your purse or something like this, in addition to this, it's a hard case cover. And what I like that DJI has done is you don't often have with a lot of electronics these days, sort of instruction packs. So there is a quick start guide. And oh, one last thing is that when we were sold this, you do need to buy your own SD cards. So the salesman at the store was telling me, try to get 2 SD cards. This one is 256 gigabytes. This one is 128. This will be my main shooting one, and this will be my backup just in case. and that'll save you. I think this was a little more expensive and this was cheaper. So look forward to seeing you in upcoming videos. Thank you, Santa, for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3.